This is what I need. This is what I need. I need to go to the toilet. I need to go to the toilet. He needs to lose some weight. He needs to lose some weight. He is unable to do it. He is unable to do it. Doctors were unable to save her. Doctors were unable to save her. How much is this dress? It's only $5. It's only $5. I don't earn much money. I don't earn much money. Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? Can I turn on the TV? Can you drive? Can you drive? Smoking can cause cancer. I love this picture. This isn't for sale. This apple is sweet. This makes no sense. This book is yours. What is in the desk? This is Tony's book. I don't like this. This is a small book. That's right, isn't it? That's right, isn't it? This is the last game. He owns this land. He owns this land. Did you watch the game? This is surprising. Have fun this summer. Did you like the movie? This is my daughter. Don't climb on this. Did you finish the job? This clock is broken. This clock is broken. Is this your bike? This is homemade jam. This bird can't fly. Could I have the check? This is delicious. What is the problem? Can you sing this song? This is an old book. What is on the desk? Can you play the piano? This is what I want. Listen to this. How long does it take? This isn't fair. This apple is bad. How long will it take? Is this book yours? This car is like new. Is this a tax-free shop? This is an emergency. What does this mean? Can you answer this? This is a road map. That's good, isn't it? Can I try this? This is what he said. I love this photo. Do you need this book? Do you need this book? This is a hospital. That's cheap, isn't it? Can I eat this? This desk is broken. May I do it right now? Are you in a hurry? This knife cuts well. This knife cuts well. The meat was tender. The meat was tender. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? This is all I know. What are the symptoms? What are the symptoms? Can we talk in private? This novel bores me. This button is loose. Is it Japanese food? This door won't open. May I put it down here? May I put it down here? Beautiful day, isn't it? This wall feels cold. This is my cousin. Is this a duty-free shop? Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.